Okay, just a quick update. Today is Sunday, so we do expect today to see some kind of reversal or big move going into Monday. And looking at XRP right now, it's making that bull flag. It broke down a little bit here, and now it is kind of consolidating on the 1 hour. What I like is this squeezing flaggish pattern, and I think it's worth risking a little bit on this setup, trying to go for the highs with the stop loss at this level here. Now the probability of this trade is probably going to be around 50%, so I'm not expecting that much. Maybe a little bit higher, but yeah, it's not the greatest setup, but it's still worth a try. If you look at USDT, we took the highs and we went lower to took the low here, but it does seem like it wants more. So we may actually go closer to the lows or even just continue like this. And for a Sunday would be very typical to do at least this and then maybe bounce a bit back. So that would be in line with the XRP chart. Bitcoin is still consolidating a bit, but the fact that it didn't push down after this fake out-ish pattern is kind of bullish, I think. But that's all I have to say about it. And one last thing is I'm also looking at a meme right now. So Wojak is somewhat popular, and it took out a very important low here. So I'm just looking for a 10 to 20% move up to roughly this area here, because usually when we take like the most important low, yeah, first I thought this was the most important one, but if you can see, like, this is the biggest move it made, and after that we see this is the first point that we made some kind of retracement, and then once we take that low, like here, we usually get the first bounce back, and we haven't really bounced for a while. As you can see, it's just a straight downtrend, so I'm hoping we get a bounce and not a bear flag. Right now it looks a little bit like a bear flag again. So I hope that is not the scenario, because otherwise we'll be going lower and maybe go to this area here. So that's also why I like this as a stop, because I think if we go here, we likely go here. So then the next setup would be around here, like this. So this one is worth risking a little bit. And also, of course, XRP. So we'll have a look and see how that develops.